Good morning, guys. Friday morning on my way to Kazbegi mountain, but we passed this area, so I asked driver to stop so I can take a little video here. It's beautiful, yeah, so beautiful. And we are on our way to Stepantsminda. That's something like 20 kilometers from Russian border. And we decided to take a marshrutka minibus, but then taxi was so cheap, so we changed our mind and booked a taxi instead. Taxi is what we paid, 130 lari. That's 260 Danish. That's something like $35-40. $45, I guess. Wanna go up here? Wabba. And driver, he just stops. You want coffee? Then we stop and take a cup of coffee and a cigarette. Oh, you wanna see the lake here? Or not the lake, but the river? Then we stop here. Awesome driver. Very nice old Georgian guy. Look at this. Let's go in and have a look. Maybe we can have a view from this spot. No, it's closed. But we can. There's dogs everywhere here. Wake up! It's 10 o'clock. Time to work. Look at this. It's stunning view, yeah? Fantastic. I can go up on these stairs. What is this? Wine cellar, maybe. Wow. Wow. I don't want to fall down here. Amazing. Fantastic view. I like this. I'm gonna stay one weekend in Stepantsminda, go home Sunday. I'm looking forward to this part of Georgia, mountain area. Wow. Let's go up and see what this is. No, it was a dead end. Where did I came from? I need a compass. Must be down here. Yeah. No shorts. I have shorts on. No dogs. There's dogs everywhere.
Hello.
Hello.
Well,
Yeah, I think I have done everything wrong here. Oh, I can hear the girls. Let's go up to the taxi again and smoke a cigarette and continue to Stepantsminda. Stunning Georgia. Beautiful country. Beautiful country. Cheers, guys. This is a beautiful, stunning view from Kazbegi mountain. Look at this. Fantastic. We come from down here somewhere. Or maybe it's over there somewhere. Actually, I lost direction. But what a stunning view. Amazing. And it's so crowded up here with people taking photos, but I understand. I think this is something like 2,500 meters above sea. Amazing place. Let's take a little walk and have a look. This is fantastic. No matter which way you go, then you are photobombing someone. So actually, it's a lose-lose situation. Amazing. Amazing. That's all I can say. Let's go and take a look from here. And a part of the road up here was damaged, so we have to make a bypass, a detour. Bloody hell, my kidney was in my throat. My kidney and my liver was up in my throat. Now rain begins. Isn't it just fantastic? Yeah. I can take altitude when I come back and write in description how.
Maybe we are going to church.
Yeah. Good luck. And write in description how high it is. All these bloody teenagers simply don't have a clue what's around them. This is not for me.
Huh?
I wait here.
Okay, yeah.
People need 30 meters in a very crowded place to take a bloody photo. This is a dog-eat-dog place. Fucking idiot. patience with these nut cases. Thank you very much. Amazing. Yeah, I want to sign off. There's another nut case, man. They don't care. Yeah, that was Kazbegi Mountains, at least from the highest level I will get. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe, take care. Signing off.